Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will show you how to easily add widgets to your Android home screen. So please follow up with me. First we'll have to be in the home screen and then we'll have to tap and hold for a second in an empty space. This will give us access to some screen options. We tap on widgets. You can see here the list of widgets that you can use. In the example of this video I will use the weather app widget. So we go ahead and long press on the widget, and here you go, we can put it wherever I want in the home screen display. I can drop it here and it takes place there. And as you can see here, now you can get information from your apps right from your home screen. And of course, if you want to delete it, you can just long press it again and tap on remove. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future solutions for all of your tech problems. Thanks for watching.